Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. English learning and cricket news. Pakistan versus Afghanistan highlights. In today's video, I talk about Pakistan versus Afghanistan match. So Afghanistan highlights. Afghanistan batting highlight. Rahmanullah Gurbaz scored 65 runs on 53 balls, 1 6 and 4 9 fours. Ibrahim Zardan scored 87 runs on 113 balls, and Rahmat Shah scored 77 runs on 84 balls, so 5 fours and 2 sixes, and Hashmat Shahidi scored 48 runs on 45 balls and 4 fours. So Afghanistan bowlers. Naveenul had 2 wickets and Mujibur Rahman 0, Mohammad Nabi 1 and Umar Zai 1 and Rashid Khan 0 and Ahmed 3 wickets. So Pakistan batting highlights against Afghanistan today match. Abdullah Shafique scored 58 runs on 75 balls, and Imam scored 70 runs on 22 balls. Babar Azam scored 74 runs on 92 balls. Mohammad Rizwan scored 8 runs in 10 balls, and Saud Shakil scored 25 runs on 34 balls. Sadaf Khan scored 40 runs on 38 balls, and Iftikhar Ahmed scored 40 runs on 77 balls, and Shaheen Shah Afridi scored 3 runs on 3 balls. So Pakistani bowlers. Shah Afridi 1 wicket and Hassan Ali 1 wicket. So Afghanistan won the match. So guys, I need your support. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon. Subscribe my YouTube channel to learn English and cricket news. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.